Hey everyone, this is Aiman and this is my recap for today. I promised you that I'll do recaps whenever I have red days. I haven't been doing recaps in a while right now, but since it is a red day and I don't want to only do recaps only on winner days, I decided to post this one. Alright, today wasn't a max loss day, so it's not the worst day, and it honestly could have been worse. I am totally happy with all the trades I've taken. I think they were fine, but on days like this, you really need to know when to stop. When trading, a lot of us are having the daily goal and the daily loss, max loss, whatever, right? And the biggest mistake a lot of us are doing are trying to force it to either hit the goal or either hit the max loss. The sad part about this, and it's the psychology of us traders or maybe us being humans, whenever we're getting closer to our goal or we're green, we could stop out without hitting our goal. Maybe 1 hour green, 2 hours green, and then just about. Whenever we are at our loss or we're down, we would just continue to either hit the goal or either hit the loss, or either get to green or either hit the loss. This way, losses are always at max and goals could be sometimes at max goal, sometimes above it, but a lot of times they are below. Now, doing it this way might not really result in a good and consistent income or result. So what I'm doing is, and what I would recommend you doing, is trying to focus on fixed amount of trades. For example, 3 trades per day, 5 trades per day, 7 trades per day, whatever you want. But personally, I think 5 trades per day is enough. Whether you hit the goal, whether you hit your max loss, and maybe even if you are a little bit green, a little bit red, you could stop. Don't force it to the goal or to the loss. Look for 5 perfect setups. If you are having 5 perfect setups and you are not in the green, don't try to force it. This might not be the best day and just stop out. If you took bad trades, then it's your fault. You didn't wait for perfect setups. You wasted your tickets on some, I don't know, horrible setups, and you need to stop for the day. So Mac was my first trade, and I was looking at this for the long side. We are having a range on the 60-minute chart. In the daily, it was decent for both the long and to the short side. We dropped down, started coming back up around here. I looked for a break of 2030, but you could see that they entered a little bit earlier. Why did I do that? I told myself, if I wait for a break of 2030, I will get a bad entry. It's 30 cents above the current price. I saw a hammer on the 5-minute chart, we broke it, and I took it for a 5-minute open range breakout along with a breakout of the 2030 level, which didn't happen. I got stopped out, and this was my first loss for the day. Traded NIO after that, and NIO was also decent. Look at this. On the 60 we are going up, so that was a bullish pattern. On the daily chart we were green, so also enough of a bullish pattern. On the 5-minute chart we had an ABCD pattern, and on the 1-minute chart there is an ABCD pattern with a double shape. We're starting to make higher lows and finally making the new higher high. Took it to the long side, had my stop loss around here, partialed half at 2 hours. Not 2 hours, I didn't even lock 1 hour, that was less than 1 hour, and exited the rest at break even because we made a double top with the second top lower than the first one, expected the drop, and I bailed on it. Another stock I've traded was AMC. Let's just remove all lines from here. And where are my trades actually? I can't really see them. Oh, there they are. Later on the day, 2 more trades. I just stopped at the morning because I literally didn't like anything, and I'm still liking this trade. What did I see around here? A clear range on the 60-minute chart. Overall, we are on a bullish 60-minute chart, and we are starting to wave up. I didn't take it to the long side here. You see, this made the new high here. I didn't take it here because we already did a huge move, and I told myself I can't really go long after it did, I don't know, $2 or $1.50 move. I need to wait for a pullback. Waited for a pullback, waited for the new high, kind of a W shape. Took it to the long side. Unfortunately, this didn't work out. It got me out and eventually trend. So the idea was right. The timing was wrong. Am I really mad? Not really. You can't really know when exactly it's going to go. I assumed that this is the pullback. Apparently, this wasn't enough pullback and it had to do a bigger pullback before running. So I'm happy about this trade, but still didn't work out. Same thing with NIO. Last trade on NIO. It was the 4th. I guess I stopped out with 4th today. So hammer on the 60-minute chart. New 60-minute high. As I told you, right? We're good on the daily, a range here, or maybe an ascending triangle. Yeah, you could say that it's actually enough of an ascending triangle. Breaking out or going for the breakout after a couple of hammers took it to the long side, stop loss at the last level it bounced from, and I lost around here. So yeah, not the luckiest day, red day, but I'm really happy about how it traded. I hope you did way better than me, guys. Have a great weekend, everyone. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or put a comment down there. Like, share, subscribe, everyone. We really appreciate that, and have a great weekend again. Bye bye.